Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-60UT-BTC Battery Operated Indoor-Outdoor Uptimer. This order is going out to Consolidated Nuclear Security LLC, and what the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to treat it as a uptimer for how long new recruits can run an obstacle course for their training routines. How it works is the client turns on the unit and then pushes the red button switch to start and stop the uptimer. So as you can see, it is a battery operated uptimer with a handlebar at the top of the enclosure. You can turn this enclosure on and off, so I'm going to turn it off using the on and off switch on the right side of the enclosure. As you can see, it's turned off, and then if I want to turn it back on again and utilize the features, just turn the switch back on and it will run through the routines. You can also set the LEDs to dim and bright. Right now it's currently in bright. We can set it to dim if the bright is too much for your eyes. So as it is right now, it's in dim, but for this demonstration we're going to have to switch back to bright. As you can see, what differentiates this uptimer with the rest of our battery operated uptimers is that it has a junction box that is connected to a big stainless steel switch that controls the rate at which the uptimer starts and stops. So what that means is that this button starts and stops the uptimer. So I'm just going to press down on the button, and as you can see, the uptimer is counting upwards. It can count to a total of 99 hours and 59 minutes and 100th of a second. And this is thanks to our shift digit technology. So right now you're seeing it in seconds and 100th of a second. And as soon as the timer reaches 1 minute, it will switch from minutes to seconds. And once the timer reaches 1 hour, it will showcase hours and minutes. So I'm going to press the big red button again to stop the uptimer. The client can also press the button right here, our momentary push button contact switch, to start and stop the time as well. So we just press this button right here to resume the uptimer. Press it again to stop the uptimer. The user can also come onto the enclosure itself and press the zero reset button to reset the uptimer back to zero. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, it is an aluminum IP66 outdoor wet location waterproof rated, black powder coated, fingerprint resistant casing that is both fingerprint and dust resistant as well. Its display size is 6 inches and it can be viewed up to a total of 300 feet away. The number of digits it has is 4 digits, and as I said before, it can count up to a total of 99 hours and 59 minutes and 100th of a second thanks to our shift digit technology. Its power type is a 12 volt 8 amp hour sealed lead acid battery and a 3 amp battery charger with 8 hours of operation. So in other words, this uptimer will continue to be turned on. In other words, this uptimer can last up to a total of 8 hours before it needs to be recharged. For mounting, we have our heavy-duty aluminum tripod that comes with a carrying handle at the top of the enclosure, as well as a carrying case that we supply to our customers along with the order itself. Lastly, for accessories, we have our heavy-duty momentary actuation red 40mm palm switch along with a junction box with 25 feet of cabling. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-60UT-BTC battery operated indoor-outdoor tripod with mount and battery charger and a wired start and stop stainless steel button.